My name is Yanyu, and I will make a presentation for my health team. This is my team. First, I will introduce the pain points. In the 21st century, people's life pace is getting faster and faster, and there's little extra time to buy food and cook. With the rise of the takeout industry and rapid growth of fast food chains, people usually choose to order food from restaurants. However, the unsafe takeaway food and unhealthy junk food will lead to an increased risk of obesity and chronic diseases. Most food and nutrition apps have limited dietary options and don't take pre-existing health conditions while recommending diet to the users. This may not be suitable for people from well-versed backgrounds. For example, people from Asia may not need to adapt a Western diet as a daily diet and vice versa. Problems and opportunities can coexist, so let's see how big the global food and nutrition market is. According to data collected from DataBridge, by the year 2028, the global food and nutrition application market is expected to grow to $70.4 billion, with current annual compound growth rate of 30.4%. If we make a reasonable estimate of 4% market share, we are looking at $696 million in revenue. This means that we both have B2B and B2C markets opportunities. B2B customers involve local restaurants, food ordering apps, and tourism companies. B2C customers are divided into two groups, active and passive. Active users are young people who are looking to improve their health with no health complications. Passive users are people with existing health problems or patients who need to avoid certain diets. Although there are competitive fitness apps on the market that track eating habits, recommend exercise, and track physical functions. However, the functions are one-sided and they don't take users' personal health issues when recommending healthy recipes. MyHealth is a digital platform that will be provided through on the websites as well as Android or iOS. We recommend a healthy diet to individuals according to their geographic location, health status, and availability. Users can discover the chosen diet. On the initial release of the app into the market, users can discover recipes, locate restaurants nearest to them that offer food suitable to their diet. Users can also share their own recipes and share them with their friends. We are also aiming to provide customized recommendations and meal planning using advanced AI algorithms. In the future, our users can place orders directly from the app. We are also considering to include tourists as potential customers by partnering with tourism companies and recommend local specialties suitable for them. And also take customers' feedback and will be sent to restaurants to improve quality. Health tips and mild exercise features will also be added in future. Let's understand how the app works. First, the users need to create an account in the app. Next, they can choose their favorite cuisine of their choice and find recipes based on their health conditions or find nearest restaurants to them. Users can compare the price from all the available food ordering service and place order directly. Our income comes from three sources. First, building advertisements mainly comes from restaurants and food ordering platforms. If customers don't like to see the advertisements, that's where the subscription model comes in. They can choose to pay a low membership fee to get rid of the advertisement and get custom tailored meal plans and customer service. We also charge a small transaction fee between 50% to 20% commission on food ordering platforms for every order placed. And in the future, we are planning to expand the business to directly place orders on the platform instead of third-party food ordering platforms. A good software can only place value if it is used by more people. We will expand the popularity of our software through the operation of online accounts, taking positive feedback of celebrities, collaborating with restaurants, and expanding advertisements. At the same time, we will attract users through some large-scale preferential promotions and keep users sticky by exchange points for delivery fees. Thank you very much for listening. This is the end of our presentation.